This is the TailMate 2.0 1x6, designed for building strong, professional dovetail joints using standard 1x6 nominal lumber. That's 3/4 inch thick and 5.5 inches wide, the exact size you'll find at any hardware store. We start by routing the pins. Just clamp the board in place and run the spiral bit along the guide. No measuring, no templates. The jig handles the layout with precision. To get perfect results, you'll need two tools, a 1/2 inch guide bushing and a 3/8 inch spiral upcut router bit. These work together with TailMate 2.0 to cut tight, clean dovetails every time. Next, we switch sides to cut the matching dovetail sockets. The guide bushing follows the profile, ensuring perfect spacing and fit. For a cleaner result and to avoid tear out at the ends, pre-drill with the router before cutting full depths. Pro tip: when making many boxes, mark the layout after routing the first dovetail and rough cut the waist. Then clean up with the router. It saves time and reduces wear on your bit. Perfect dovetails in just minutes, accurate, repeatable, and built to last. TailMate 2.0 is precision made for real lumber, and this 1x6 version is ideal for drawers, boxes, and bins. Because TailMate 2.0 uses the same bit and guide as BoxMate, you never need to adjust your router when switching jigs. Just grab the next board and keep going.